Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm your grade 5 social studies teacher. Write today's date, beta. Next to see here, beta, we are doing block 16, eclipse and seasons. Now our topic is S4, influencing of seasons. How seasons will influence our climate. Let us read from our reader now. See, children, in your reader, page number 102 and 103, beta. Influence of seasons on humans, on animals, on plants. How seasons will influence on human, animal and plants? Let us read now. On humans, during summer we like to have cold drinks. We stay indoor. We wear light cotton clothes that allow air to pass through. In summer season we wear light clothes, okay, cotton clothes, so that air will pass inside it, okay, so that will be cool. Next, we use umbrellas and raincoats during the rainy season. In places where there is heavy rainfall, the houses have sloping roof. Children, where there is more rainfall, in rainy season we use umbrellas and raincoat, and in places where there is heavy rainfall, people build houses and the roof will be in slanting shape. Roofs are there, beta, so that rain will fall easily. During winter we wear woolen clothes and have hot drinks. This is winter season. We are wearing sweaters now right now, and we love to eat hot things. In places where it gets very cold, people have fireplaces in their houses. Fireplaces means what? In one place they'll light a fire, children. Next, on animals. In summer, some animals dig holes and burrows and remain underground. Some animals, due to it is very hot, what they'll do? They'll dig the ground and they will go under the ground. In very cold regions, animals like polar bear build up layers of fat inside their body. They undergo hibernation to serve the harsh season. Children, this is polar bear. What it will do? It will build a layer of fat inside its body, it seems, to stay warm. That is known as hibernation, it seems. Next, children. As the winter begins in the places close to the North Pole, many animals move from the cold place to warm place. This is called migration. Whales and birds migrate from the Arctic region to place which are less cold. Children, whale, you know what is whale? It is a fish, large fish. And birds, children, they migrate from one place to another place, it seems. Birds will fly and migrate, and whale will migrate due to sea or ocean, children. Okay, it will move from one place to another place. It will move from the cold place to the warm, hot place, it seems. Next, children, on plants. Animals are moving. What about plants? We'll see now. On plants, during the rainy season, when there is enough water in the soil, new plants germinate. Germinate means grow, beta. During winter, few plants survive as very little sunlight is available. In winter season, there is no sun, children. Very little sun rays will come, children. Always the climate will be cool and it is covered with fog, children. So what happened? Many little plants can survive. Survive means they can live. The remaining small plants which need sunlight, maximum they'll die, children. During winter, few plants survive as a very little sunlight is available. If it is very hot and dry in summer, plants may not be able to survive. Children, without sunlight, plants cannot survive. But what happens in summer season? Due to a harsh summer, very hot season, some plants will die. Some vegetable, flowers and fruits are available only in a particular season, such as mangoes in summer and orange in winter. This is winter season, children. You can see many oranges, no? In summer season, we'll see many mangoes. Next, yellow color one. Did you know a total solar eclipse happen only once once every 1.5 year. When this eclipse will come? In a 1.5 year it seems. See beta, with this I have completed your block 16. Okay children? In next video we'll do our classwork beta. Thank you. Oh, take out your workbook beta first. See beta, write today's date in your workbook. S4, influence of seasons. Next, list 3 things that we do during these seasons. So what is telling? List 3 things that we do during these seasons. There are 3 seasons and you should write what you will do in these 3 seasons. In summer season what you will do, in winter season what you will do, and in rainy season what you will do. I like to have cool drinks, ice creams and coconut water in summer season. We wear light cotton clothes. We like to stay indoor. Children, you can write your own words beta here. No need to copy same. Winter. I like to have hot soups and oily food like pakoras. We wear woolen clothes. We use room heaters to keep the room warm. Next is rainy season. We use rain coats and umbrellas. We make a paper boat and play. We like to have tea and coffee and eat hot food in rainy season. You can change and write with your own words beta here. Next one. How does the animal survive extreme cold winter? Before winter season begins, it is there in your reader this paragraph. Before winter season begins, polar bear built a layer of fat inside their body. They undergo hibernation to survive the harsh season, children. Next one. Which season? Which season, summer, winter, rainy, do you think is more suitable for plants and why? Now you should write your own answer here children. What do you think is suitable for you? Rainy season is more suitable for plants because you write your own answer whichever season you think better. So here they wrote like this. See, can you all see here? Now you can see. Rainy season is more suitable for plants because there is enough water available in the soil and new plants can germinate. The plants look green and healthy in rainy season. Okay, you write any one answer. You can write your own answer beta here. With this I have completed here. With this I have completed your workbook S4. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.